my lovelies, it's Odette and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for coming in. So I just want to bring you guys a few more of my card designs, and I like to bring them to you first so you can see them before I add these to the website. You can also follow me on TikTok. I'm very active on TikTok as well, and also on Instagram. So sometimes you may see the cards on those sites first before you see it here on YouTube. But I'm going to be adding these cards to my website shortly. And for many of you who do not know, I have a very small online card business. It's Odetteromeodesigns, and I make generic greeting cards. They are beautiful. You will not find these designs in stores. They are only available in Canada, and the price is very minimal for you guys. I'm just going to show you now a few designs quickly, and they are quite cute. Absolutely love this one. The gold with white detail and the little floral design on the inside is quite cute. Hope you guys can see that, with lovely little rhinestones. And of course, if you see anything that you do like in this video, please let me know. And we do have another one here. I mean, these cards are growing on me every single day. I don't even know which one I like more than the other because I really cannot tell. This one here is absolutely beautiful as well. Gold foil background with that center flowers on the inside, some rhinestone, and a nice little bow to the top. They are really pretty, guys. And you know, I need you to go to the website and place your orders. This is absolutely lovely. And again, these are generic greeting cards, and they can work for every single occasion. Any occasion where you need to give somebody a card, these will definitely work. I mean, now look at this. I mean, somebody in your life would love to receive this card. I mean, it is absolutely gorgeous. If somebody gives me a card like this, I would be forever grateful. They are absolutely beautiful. And we also have this gorgeous one right here with the two beautiful butterflies, and this little center card where you can write the person's name. If it's an anniversary, congratulations on a new baby, and then you can just write your own story on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. And I do have another one here, which is absolutely lovely. They are really cute. These designs are outstanding, and I never knew that I, Odette Romeo, can actually do something like this. This is absolutely pretty. Beautiful gold foil flowers right there with a center card, a bow, purple background, and lovely little rhinestones. That's gorgeous. This one is just, I have nothing to say about this one. This is just cute. And there you go. And just tell your friends, tell your family, just spread the word around, just share and repost this video. Let your Canadian friends and family can see these. The cards are absolutely stunning. And again, of course, if you do see anything that you do like in this video, please let me know. Again, these will be updated on my website shortly, and the giveaway is still on. And of course, you can go to the website and sign up. So for one of my payout packages, one of them is already spoken for. Yes, it's already gone. And I've got maybe 4 more on the website for you guys. So just, you never know. And whenever that person, when they receive that payout package, they would be so surprised. It will also include beautiful greeting cards as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. See you next time. Toodles.